सलाम
और क्या
प्यारा।
कहते। वालेकुम सलाम, क्या हाल है नौरेज साहेब?
मैं ठीक
ठीक
हूँ,
हो?
आपका क्या हाल है?
अल्लाह का शुक्र है। तुम आजकल, वो कहते हैं स्कूल आजकल बंद हैं, तो गेम भी खेलते हो या सिर्फ घर में बैठ के टीवी के ऊपर गेम खेल के समझते हो दैट इज़ इनफ?
ज़्यादातर
हैं?
मैं आउटडोर ही खेलता हूँ, गेम नहीं
दुनिया
खेल रहा।
दुनिया की जो रिसर्च हो रही है वो कहते हैं ओबीस हो रहे हैं लोग, स्टूडेंट घर में बैठे बैठे हैं। तो हम मोटे नहीं होना चाहिए हमें। अच्छा खैर, अच्छा अब बताओ सवाल क्या है?
जी, my question was that in the Quran it says that the day of judgment, which means there's only one day. So what about the people who are dead? Are they still waiting for the day of judgment?
No, they are not waiting for the day of judgment, although there is one day of judgment, but those who have done good deeds, they, they are already in paradise. And those who have done wrong, they are getting their punishment in the hell. And at the day of judgment, again, Allah Ta'ala will ask all of them to get up and gather them. And then those who have already been punished, and if Allah feels that they have had enough punishment, then Allah Ta'ala forgive them and they will go to paradise. And those who are already in paradise, Allah Ta'ala will increase their status in paradise and they will be given an higher status in the paradise. That is the simple answer of this question. Otherwise, if you are in grade 9, 8, which grade you are in?
8.
8?
I'm going to 8.
Great, acha. So Masih Maud has dealt with this subject in the philosophy of the teaching of Islam. Eh? That question. So if you are able to understand that, you should read from there. That on the day of judgment, people will either they will be given the lower states of the place in the hell, or they will be forgiven, and those who are already in paradise, they will be given higher status in the paradise and then further increase in their status. Right?
जी।
ठीक है, चलो, ठीक। और नेक्स्ट